back to my channel, and today I have the Easter egg basket. I'm so excited. The only thing I did was cut this open so I wouldn't have to deal with that on camera. So, oh, my receipt's right there. Okay, so 1, 2, and my card, my receipt is in there. So yeah, so I got this card. Look how cute it is with little junipers. Like, oh my gosh, so cute. And then I got 2 baskets, and actually, ironically, so I completely forgot about the Easter egg hunt, like completely forgot about it. And I saw on Facebook, like I think I logged in around 2 or 3, and I saw like a little bit older post, and I was like, oh my God, I completely forgot about it. So I went and checked the website. They were on there, and I checked out with 2 immediately. I was shocked because literally there had been people on forever, and I just got lucky. I don't know how I got lucky that I just happened to log on and it was there and I got 2, so. All right, let's get into these. I'm gonna start with this one. Oh, you get like a lot of like the seals. Oh, like actually. So I got this one, which is like the pastel blue. This almost looks like the new Galaxy that's coming out. And then look how cute this juniper is, little teal, so cute. Actually, it's like perfect with that. Yeah, anyway. All right, so these are the 2 that I got that aren't the Easter basket exclusive. Again, I don't know if I have these. This might be from the new collection now that I'm looking at it, because I thought I had these, but this is her rose gold, which again, in my opinion, is copper. So I don't think I bought these. I didn't buy any of the copper new releases unless there was a Galaxy one. And then I got this bad boy, which I think I do have already. I'm not 100% sure, but this is again in her rose gold, which I say copper. Sorry, that looks a little dark. But look how cute. And then this is the Easter bag. I want to say Easter bag because it is a bag. Easter basket exclusive. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit so it's a little bit more light. But it's this really pretty dark like plum purple, and this like, it's almost like a aqua, like a navy aqua blue. Does that make sense? And it is hollow. Like so cute, right? So cute. So this was my first Easter basket, which was this little guy. And I guess this is an oops, the Easter basket, like the actual roll the Easter basket's in is an oops. So they were only $12 this year because I got last year's. And then we have the second one. So I got the same bow seals, and then I got a little gray juniper. And then I actually have this already, I know for sure. This came out in the jungle theme sub box. So if you weren't part of the sub, this would have been awesome for you to get, because this is the skinnies from that sub box with like the leopard, and oh, I think I have one of the washies here too, yeah. So this is from the jungle theme one, and then it's so cute. And so this is the skinnies from that. And then just the purple, which this might be Purple Mist, I think, like the redone of Purple Mist, which I have. So cute. And then another set of the Easter washi. So they look the same. Let's see, let's put this together. Hello, come on. So they look the same. So there's no like variation that I can tell, because it's like well, I'm sure there is variation when you roll it out, but you know what I mean? Like it's not one that has like the color going up and down, like since it's so random like a watercolor. I think this one is just random in the watercolor. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So, all right, here is the second one I got. These are super cute. So these are the 2 baskets. So I guess let me, why are you trying to be all up on my stuff? Okay, come on, there we go. All right, so these are the 2 baskets I got. Super cute. And then all my other goodies. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.